Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in our hands now is our top 12.
Lalapit na kami dyan.
Halina kayo dito.
Okay.
Candidates, thank you so much for joining Ginong Antipolo 2026. This may not be your journey sa mga hindi makakapasok, but rest assured, the doors is still wide for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Ginoong Antipolo Top 12 in no particular order.
Bukas ang pinto ni Maui.
The first and top 12 spot is none other than contender number 10, Ashley Jules Morales. For our next Ginoo, who will be part of the top 12? Sa tingin nyo, sino? The next Ginoo that will be advancing on top 12 is yung Ginoo number 9, Rowan Dominguez Jada Romeo.
Joining the top 12 is you, Ginong number. It's you number 14.
Noelino Rivera.
You are still in the running. Ginoo number 16.
Jenard Gabriel Ordizuela. Joining, and you can now relax your nervous system, Ginoo Justin Labrador.
We are halfway through. The next Patella.
The next person who will be advancing in our top 12 is Ginoo number 15, Tirachila Fernandez.
Our seventh contender to enter our top 12 is Ginoo number 4.
Alfred Natividad.
The semi-finalist is not complete without you, Ginoo number 17.
John Philip Forbes. Only 4 remain. Who will be next in the top 12? It's you, Ginoo number
tayo nakikita sa screen.
Napugian din kasi siya kay Justin, kaya napa-Justin ang pangalan ni 30.
Okay, to continue, ilan na lang?
2 remaining. Sino kaya ang nasa top 12? Okay, our next in our semi-finalist is none other than... Ginoo 18! Dustin Pela Cruz!
Justin! Akala ko Justin. Kaya ang taas ng kilay ni Joanna.
Pugian!
And completing our top 12 is you! Ginoa number!
It's you, Ginoo number! Sino kaya? Sino? It's you, Ginoo number 12! Richard Benjamin! Congratulations to our top 12!
And of course, congratulations to our contenders na hindi pumasok sa top 12.
Yes, so Antipolo, this is your Ginoong Antipolo 2026 semi-finalist. Now, diretso na po tayo sa question and answer with Miss Ella and Miss Tony!
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Stay on stage.
Top 12, please stay on stage. While waiting, I want to thank a group of people for my family and friends. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for assisting me and also my sister. And thank you so much for G-Lunch Aesthetic Clinic for my glowing skin for today and my hair treatment for Mommy Earl Rojas and also my one supportive Mommy JC Recto. So, without further ado, let us start the question and answer portion. But before that, I would like to thank my designer, Kuya Ryan Crisologo and Kuya Aljon. Kuya Ryan is finally here. And once again to my makeup artist, Mama Nella Chong, and to my aesthetic clinic, to Ate Krisha May. So, without further ado, let us start the question and answer portion. Let's call on Ginoo 12, Richard Ben Lenares. Please speak your So, ayan, Kuya, before we start with your Q&A, how are you feeling?
Kinakabahan.
Don't be.
Last one to hold. So, overwhelmed din and so grateful na nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
Yes. So, always remember that God put you through this path for a reason. So, question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In today's digital age, many people share their lives online. What do you think about those who choose never to post pictures on social media? Sa Tagalog, sa makabagong panahon ng digital, maraming tao ang nagbabahagi ng kanilang buhay online. Ano ang palagay mo ang mga taong pinipiling huwag mag-post ng larawan sa social media?
Well, as you know, I always respected those people who never to choose anything on social media. I believe not everything needs to be shared to be valued. Sometimes, choosing privacy doesn't mean you have nothing to share. Well, it means you know what truly matters. Well, in a world where everyone seeks validation, it is not our obligation to inform everyone on how do we live our life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ginoo 12, Richard Ben Lenares. Hindi daw dapat lahat isinishare sa social Agree ba kayo doon? May tama ka!
Okay, our next Ginoo is Ginoo 13, John Ryan na daw.
Title na, title na.
How are you feeling again? Are you still nervous, Ryan? Now,
nervous.
pick your questions from the ball.
Sir, dalawang point na po. Thank you po. Okay, let's start. I will read your question right. So, some say people dislike others simply because they envy them. How should we respond to those who hate us for who we are? Sa Tagalog, may nagsasabi na ang tao ay ayaw sa iba dahil naiinggit sila. Paano natin dapat tugunan ang mga taong galit sa atin dahil kung sino tayo?
I believe being a true Ginoo is not about proving your worth to others, but about quietly building a character rooted in integrity, discipline and compassion while staying grounded in who you are and what you stand for. In a world full of noise and challenges, I choose to lead by example, taking actions with care, treating others with respect, and use my voice to inspire others because I believe true strength is not just seen in success, but about how you uplift others along the way. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Ryan. So, let us call on our next Ginoo for the question and answer.
Let us welcome Ginoo 18, Dustin De La Cruz. Ito na si Pogi.
Ayan. So, Kuya, how are you feeling before we start?
I do feel nervous, sister.
Okay, it's normal. Ay, lang sasabi. We've been there, done that. Okay.
Your question is, they say your mindset can either be your prison or your power. Which mindset shift has impacted you the most and why? Sa Tagalog, sinasabi nila na ang iyong mindset ay maaaring maging bilangguan o kapangyarihan mo. Aling pagbabago sa mindset ang may pinakamalaking epekto sa iyo at bakit?
You know what, as a shy person, that to have someone who is not really into this kind of thing, to have someone as stage fright, the thing that I always keep telling to myself to step out of my comfort zone. Because the moment that I do that for myself, I realize a lot of things that even though I fail sometimes, I do always believe that God has a better plan more than myself. And if that thing is really meant for me, that thing will always find its way. The universe will definitely find its way to once again to realign my stars. And that is all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. That was a wonderful answer. Let us now call on our next Ginoo for the question and answer.
Ginoo 11, Art Labasyo.
Hi, Sir Art. How are you? How are you feeling?
Yeah, I felt relieved because we're almost done.
Yeah. Okay, let me open your question.
Patay ka sa tambay. Paglalabo-labo.
Wait lang po.
Paglalabo-labo sa tambay.
Can you please help me hold the... Okay. Sir Art, here is your question. As of this present time, if you could pick a moment, a memory, and wish not to end, and why? Kung sa Tagalog, kung sa kasalukuyang oras ay maaari kang pumili ng isang sandali, isang alaala na nais mong huwag matapos, ano ito at bakit?
Alright, so if there's one thing I really wanted to go back or, sorry. Right, so if there's one thing that I could pick in a moment, that's the time we were hit by Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. So back then, we were not really prepared what's really going on. So that time, I really wanted to go back and really prepare because our place was really devastated, and that is something that
I really wanted to work on, because a lot of lives was really taken away from their families. Everything that we had was really gone. And that time, I just wanted to take that moment to make sure that I'm really prepared what's really going to happen. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Calamities can be very devastating.
Thank you so much. Now, our next Ginoo is Ginoo 17, John Philip Forbes.
Hello, Ginoo number 17.
Hello po.
So before we start, do you want to thank anyone here?
First of all, I would like to thank the organizers na bumuo ng pageant na ito. Especially to my handlers na binihisan po ako mula umpisa hanggang sa dulo. And sana pala rin po ngayong gabi. I'm not expecting to win, but I will do all my best.
Yes. Let us start our question and answer. Okay. Confidence is often seen as a mindset, but some say it's built through action. How do you believe true confidence is earned? In Tagalog, ang kumpiyansa ay madalas na nakikita bilang isang mindset, ngunit may ilan na nagsasabing ito ay nabubuo sa pamamagitan ng aksyon. Paano mo naniniwala na ang tunay na nakukuha ng kumpiyansa?
Maraming salamat sa napakagandang tanong. Para sa akin, ang pagkakaroon ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ay dapat may tiwala ka sa sarili mo. At dapat wag mong dinggin kung ano ang dapat sinasabi ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi minsan, kung ano ang sinasabi ng tao sa'yo, nakakapekto sa atin yun eh. Hindi lang sa ating totality, pero sa buong pagkatao natin. Minsan, iniisip natin kung ano ang sasabihin ng ibang tao sa atin, kaya naapektuhan natin kung paano tayo makitungo sa ibang tao at doon nababawasan ang ating confidence. Pero para sa akin, magkaroon ka lang ng tapat na power para sa sarili mo, maniwala ka. Dahil wala naman ibang tutulong sa'yo, kundi yung sarili mo lamang. Maraming salamat po.
That was a very wonderful answer, Ginoo number 17.
Maraming salamat po. Our next Ginoo is Ginoo Alfred Natividad.
Hi, Ginoo number 4. Are you ready? So, Ginoo number 4, here is your question. People today are quick to share their voices, ideas, and creativity, whether through social media, digital platforms, or community movements. What were the things you had to unlearn when you became an adult? Sa Tagalog, ang mga tao ngayon ay mabilis na ibahagi ang kanilang tinig, ideya, at pagkakamalikhain sa pamamagitan man ng social media, digital platforms, o mga kilusang pang-komunidad. Ano ang mga bagay na kinakailangan mong kalimutan o i-unlearn nang ikaw ay naging isang Ginoo?
That you need to unlearn.
Repeat the question. Ang mga tao ngayon ay mabilis na ibahagi ang kanilang tinig, ideya, at pagkamalikhain sa pamamagitan man ng social media, digital platforms, o mga kilusang pang-komunidad. Ano ang mga bagay na kinakailangan mong kalimutan o i-unlearn nang ikaw ay naging isang Ginoo?
Unlearn. Pero ang keyword is unlearn. What you have to learn when you join.
You can now answer your question.
Thank you for that question. I think the thing that we should unlearn is how we treat other people, especially if we don't like other people. We need to treasure every individual, despite of their background, appearance, or circumstances. They should given the same chance to grow, succeed, and to learn. And if I will be given a chance to be your next Ginoong Antipolo 2026, what thing that I could promote is education, because we need to be knowledgeable enough about those things, most especially in posting in social media. As a student in the medical field, I always dedicate myself into the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity. For those who don't know, I'm still pursuing my second degree in college. But despite of my circumstances, I still pursue education and hope to inspire people. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 4.
Now, let us proceed to Ginoo 15, Hiroshilio Fernandez. Pick your question from the book.
Ginoo number 15, here's your question. They say the best revenge is success. What do you believe is the best revenge? Sinasabi nila ang pinakamagandang paghihiganti ay ang tagumpay. Ano para sa iyo ang pinakamagandang paghihiganti?
Success can be a powerful form of revenge, but only if it's genuinely for you. If your success is still mentally tied to proving something to someone else, then there's still inaction to prove yourself. Indifference, growth, and peace is very important. A lot of people chase visible wins thinking it will settle the score. But the moment you stop needing acknowledgement, comparison, or closure from the other person, that's when you've actually won. The best revenge is becoming someone who no longer needs revenge at all. Remember this, my beloved Antipoleños. No revenge is the best revenge. I believe in karma. It's the best judgment. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Ginoo.
Our next Ginoo is Ginoo number 6, Justin Labrador.
Justin, na lang.
Here is your question. The saying, no pain, no gain suggests that growth must always be difficult. Do you believe true progress requires suffering? Sa Tagalog, ang kasabihang no pain, no gain ay nagsasabing ang paglago ay laging mahirap. Naniniwala ka ba na ang tunay na progreso ay nangangailangan ng pagdurusa?
Bilang isang Ginoo, naniniwala ako na ang success ay nakukuha sa mga suliranin na ating na-experience. Kaya naniniwala po ako na kung pinagtatrabahuhan talaga natin ang isang bagay, ay atin itong makakamit. Ang mga problema na darating sa ating buhay, ito ang magpapatibay sa atin upang nang makuha natin ang success na ating kinakamit, ay nararapat tayo doon. Ayun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 6. May we call on our next
Ginoo is Ginoo 16, Jenard Gabriel Cortezuela. Pick your question from the book.
As we grow older, we learn that boundaries are essential. Which boundary has been the hardest for you to embrace, and how has it shaped the person you are today? Sa Tagalog, habang tayo ay tumatanda, natututuhan natin na mahalaga ang mga hangganan. Aling hangganan ang pinakamahirap para sa iyo na tanggapin? At paano ito hinuhubog ang pagkatao mo ngayon?
Well, as I finish electrical engineering, well, it's hard, yes, especially when you're away from your family. And that is the greatest boundary I felt. And now look at me. I graduated with flying colors. And I believe that there's no boundaries when you achieve your goals. You only need the trust to yourself and you will finish everything. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ginoo. Verse 16. Our next Ginoo is Ginoo 14, Noelito Rivera.
Ginoo number 14, here is your question. If you could describe yourself in just one word, what would it be? And how does that word reflect the kind of Ginoo you aspire to be? Sa Tagalog, kung maaari mong ilarawan ang iyong sarili sa isang salita lamang, ano ito? At paano ipinapakita ng salitang iyon ang uri ng Ginoo na nais mong maging?
That word will be resilient because before experienced a lot of painful moments and loss, but I want to be a living testament for all that even we fall, even we fail, there's still a chance of hope. So I want to inspire people to take the chances that they wanted to take because the only thing limiting our growth is ourselves. So I want us to take that step to change that dream and to make it happen. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 14.
Next is Ginoo number 9, Roel Dominguez Hadermeo. Here is your question. Many people dream big but hesitate to begin. Why is starting the process the most important step towards success? Sa Tagalog, maraming tao ang nangangarap ng malaki ngunit nag-aatubiling magsimula. Bakit ang pagsisimula ng proseso ang pinakamahalagang hakbang tungo sa tagumpay?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Success is when you achieve your dreams. But hesitate kills your dreams. So if you hesitate, never do hesitate because I believe that if we are hesitate or doubting ourselves, we are not just killing our dreams, but we are losing our dreams. So I believe that if we want to be successful, we must always believe in ourselves and trust the process. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 9. And last
but not the least,
Ginoo number 10.
Andre Jules Morales. Ang last question.
Ginoo number 10, here is your question. Success begins with self-respect. In your journey, how do you practice respecting yourself? In Filipino, ang tagumpay ay nagsisimula sa paggalang sa sarili. Sa iyong paglalakbay, paano mo isinasabuhay ang paggalang sa sarili?
Success begins with self-respect. In my journey, how do I practice respecting myself? For me, I practice respecting myself to catch up our core values. Our core values is pagiging makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan, at makabayan. And I standing here as a Ginoong Antipolo, not just as a pageant, but Ginoong Antipolo who serve my community in here in Antipolo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 10.
Grabe, ang gagaling talaga ng mga ginoo natin. Ang tatalak, no, Ella?
Yes! Pwede niyo po bang palakpakan ang ginoong Antipolo contenders?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Ella, Miss Tony. You may take your rest. What good job, ladies!
Yes! Actually, they have the rapport, kagawad.
I love
In fairness
it.
or protege.
Diba?
Bukod sa magaganda, mahuhusay pa, very eloquent and articulate.
Sila ang ating little Win and little Christine.
And of course, we would like to thank our official tabulator, the ICAS Antipolo, headed by Sir Meg Intalan and the Student Council.
Maraming salamat, ICAS. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors. And of course, let's watch this.